Hello sir, Namaskar. Dental microscope is installed. It is ceiling mount dental microscope. It is ceiling mount screen for the live view camera, and it's a zoom head. Zoom head, you can change the magnification from this knob. From both sides you can change the magnification. This microscope, this arm is rotated 360 degrees. You can move the microscope, whole microscope. You can tight from this knob and loose from this. Now you can move arm. Arm will be up and down as per requirement. And now you can tight it. If you loose from there, it will be moved like that. It will be moved like that also. You can find focus with the help of foot control system. You can up, you can down the head. It's a foot control system. IPD you can control like that. If IPD is not set, it will be shown double image. So first thing, you will be adjust the IPD as per requirement. Second is working distance. Working distance is approximate to 50 mm. So working distance you need to adjust after IPD. So these two things is the main thing which we remember. Thank you so much. Mars International Microscope is installed in Faridabad. Thank you.